Ladies and gentlemen, my community members, my students, today is not a simply event on our calendar. It is a true reflection of our school's commitment to accept, understand, love, support, educate, and advocate for all individuals who are diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder. At our school, we believe that inclusion of regular and special education students under one roof is not just a concept, it is a practice. It reminds us that the autism is not unfamiliar, it is present with our classroom, our families, and our community. So let us build a community of acceptance, community of love, and a community that unlocks the incredible potential of every individual, no matter where they fall on the spectrum. But we are the communities who support them. Are you with me in this battle?